Bird dog. Maintain a tight core and neutral spine. Supine bird dog. Maintain contact with the lower back and the floor and keep the head down. Kneeling hip flexor stretch. Suck in the stomach, pelvic tilt, push the hips forward. Raise the arm on the same side being stretched to increase the stretch. Kneeling rotations. Suck in the stomach tightly, maintain that pelvic tilt. Lateral ball stretch. Here's a view from the side. YTAs. Be sure to squeeze the shoulder blades each time the hands elevate. Bridge reachovers. Suck in the stomach, squeeze the glutes each time the hips elevate. Resisted single leg bridge. Resisted single leg drop. Keep the stomach sucked in tightly and the low back flat on the floor. Plank. Side plank. Feel free to let one hand stay on the ground to help support. Upper body Supermans. Relax the lower body. Swimmer Superman. Squeeze the shoulder blades throughout the movement. Open book. If needed, place bottom hand on the knees to hold the lower body steady. Child's pose. Take deep breaths.